Greetings everyone, I'm here again today with lessons. We're going to start off the one of the most powerful candlestick pattern in technical analysis. Alright, and what is that one? That is the engulfing pattern or engulfing candles, right? This setup shows strong shifted market control and given excellent trading opportunity. And my recommendation for you is try to use that with another indicators. All right. We are not making an operation with this video, so I try to explain that for you. We'll try to identify some example for you. All right. Right here we have someone. Right here we have some here. The engulfing pattern occurs when a large candle completely covers or engulfs the previous candle. All right. Bullish engulfment happens when a strong green candle fully covers the body of the previous red candle. Okay, so you know that we got an uptrend, so the bullish, and a bearish engulfment happens when a strong red candle fully red candle covers the body of the previous green candle. The red one covers the green candle, right? We got this right here. All right. So that is a good strategy. The signals a strong change in the momentum and control between buyers and sellers. Okay, you can see that. So guys, we need to then find a clear support resistance level right here. These zones are where price is more likely to react. You need to remember that. Wait for engulfing pattern to appear. Bullish may engulfment and support suggests buyers are taking control. And bearish engulfment and resistance suggests sellers are taking control. All right. But pay attention and be careful with the fake situations. All right. Sometimes you're gonna see that candles trying to go to the direction, and that is luck the fill. Okay, the paper for that. Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join, alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. So confirm the strength of the candle. That is, the bottom should be large compared to the recent candle. You can see this right here. Right. This shows conviction and strong participation from traders. All right. When you have a lot of traders performing the operation at that moment, that will change a lot. Okay. Bullish engulfment, enter call option. Bearish and engulfment, enter put option. That is very clear. Bullish buy button and bearish sell button. Right? Just manage the price and test and support level. A small red candle forms, followed immediately by a large green candle that completely engulfs the red candle. That's a bullish engulfment. We enter the call option, expecting price to move at the board. On the other hand, if the price resistance and a small green candle is followed by a large red candle, that's engulfed. That's a bearish engulfing. You enter the port option, expecting price to move downward, but we need to wait for that for confirmation. Always, that's important. Okay, we need to wait for the confirmation. Always wait for the next candle, because guys, if that will be a strong downward trend, strong and upward trends, that will continue with the next green candle or for the next red candle for the bearish candle. All right, so remember that. Hey, wait a minute, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it. So first, in identifying support resistance, it's important to wait for an engulfing pattern. Confirm strength if a large red candle or a large green candle body. Enter in direction of engulfing. Alright. And that's it. Engulfing pattern is a clear and powerful signal of market reversion or continuation. With patience and discipline, we can become a reliable tool in our buying option trading. Alright. And that is all for this video, guys. I hope you like this one. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Write your opinion in the comments. Hit the like button. Okay, have a good one, guys. I wish you good profits, good operations, and that's it. Right here, I just showed for you a fixed situation on that point. So that's it. Thanks so much. Have a good one. Bye bye.